Hello everyone, in this part I will discuss conditional statements in JavaScript. So for that let's create a variable. So let a equals to 5, and if you want to use conditional statement, the first conditional statement is if. So in the bracket condition, and here you will write console.log. You can write anything. Have a nice day, let's say. And you can see the value. Okay, let me change this value to 5. Okay, and save it. The value of a is 5, and in the if there is a condition, if a equals to 5, it means condition is true, and if the condition is true, then you will get this message. Okay, so let me write another message. Let's say bye. Okay, and semicolon here and semicolon here. Save it and go to the browser. And refresh it, and you can see the output. Have a nice day and bye. Why? Because value of a is 5, and if a equals to 5, it is true, and then you will get this message, have a nice day. So this code, this if part code will execute only, this part will execute only if the condition is true, and this part is not inside any conditional statement, and this part will execute every time. And what if I change this value? If a equals to 4, then you can see the value of a is 5, and if a equals to 4, it means the condition is false, and if the condition is false, this part will not execute, and you will get only bye in the output. And you can see, let me refresh this, and you can see only bye in the output. Okay, and this is if the condition is true. What if the condition is false? Then you can write else. Simple, and you can write any message, like message here. Let's say any message, greetings, let's say. Now what will happen? The value of a is 5. If a equals to 5, condition is false, it means the else part will be executed, and in the else part there is a message, greetings and bye, and you will get the output, greetings bye. You can see the output, greetings bye. It's very simple, and you can use any arithmetic operator here. If a is greater than 4, value of a is 5, a is greater than 4, yes, it is greater than 4, and you can get this message, have a nice day. And if part is executed, it means else part will not be executed. If part is executed if the condition is true, else part is executed if the condition is false. Now the value of a is 5, a is greater than 4, 5 is greater than 4, condition is true, you will get this message, have a nice day, and refresh it, and you can see, have a nice day. So I have discussed if, and I have discussed else. So what we can do, there is also another statement, if and else. For that, let's write if a is greater than 0, then it is the positive number. Else if a is less than 0, then it is the negative number. And else, you can write any number of else if statements. I want to keep it simple, so else if, you will write console.log, and here you will write 0 number. And now let's run this code. The value of a is 5, and as 5 is greater than 0, you will get positive number. Go to the console, you can see the positive number in the output. And what if I change this value? I change a equals to -5. Then what will happen? If a is greater than 0, -5 is greater than 0, condition is false. And if this condition is false, then next condition will be checked. And a is -5, -5 is less than 0, condition is true, and you will get negative number in the output and by message. As you can, what's the wrong here? Okay, I have not saved the code. Okay, go to the browser and refresh it, and you can see the negative number and by. And what if a is initially 0? A is 0, it means a greater than 0, this is false. A is less than 0, this is false. So this condition is false, this condition is false, every condition is false. It means else part will be executed, and here you will see 0 number and by in the output. So 0 number and by in the output. My purpose is to explain only how this if else works. Okay, so I am not explaining any tough code, any code. I want to keep it simple, that you must know the working of this if and else if code, so that we can work on the projects later on. So I have explained all the conditional statements in this lecture. We will cover some more topics, some advanced topics in the coming sections. If you have not watched my previous videos, the link is in the description box. So in this course, in web technology course, web designing and development course, I will explain from basics to intermediate to advanced level. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.